Hey everyone, I'm Frankie Celenza. I'm with my friend
Hudson Yang. I play Eddie on Fresh Off the Boat.
and I thought we could play a game today, Hudson.
Explain the game to me.
The game is we're both gonna cook a dish, only with things that are here.
Okay, I do that all the time anyway, so
That's literally the game. Should we do it?
let's start.
Scallions, cilantro, mint, pasta. What do we got here?
Oh, there's
you
rice.
lucky dog. Do you want that?
You know, I guess I'll take it because that's the easiest thing for me to make.
He says he's a fried rice aficionado. Well, then I'm gonna take pasta. I always take pasta. Is that bad?
Carrots,
Sun-dried tomatoes.
soy sauce.
Oh, I'm gonna take bacon. Butter.
We have butter. There's two different butters, so.
That one's cultured. I don't know what cultured butter is either. I'm gonna take some bread too.
I hate peeling onions. It's the hardest thing for me to do.
If you cut it in half, it's a lot easier to peel it.
That's a good idea.
You get like a bite point. Perfect. And now this end is holding it all together for
So
you.
you don't cut that off and
It's
then.
wonderful. I'm still hanging out here. Ooh, look at this. Garlic sriracha. You wanna smell it?
Oh, it smells like sriracha.
But it's in a totally different package.
Have you ever had rosong? It's another one of those like cool.
Tell me more.
It's dried pork or fish, and then they just like ground it up and just I don't know. It tastes delicious.
I have this crazy idea that I'm gonna like make some breadcrumbs to sprinkle them on top.
You're making the bread clumps on top of the.
I'm gonna sprinkle on
Pasta?
the end of my pasta.
Okay.
Well, you know what happens if you buy the loaf of bread and you don't start using it for stuff, it just gets ruined, right? Hudson, tell me some of your strategy.
And so one way my friend told me also was to have to cook it with butter and then add a little bit extra butter while you're cooking it. I also like to make 2 batches of egg, 1 egg just to put in there to have like a look, and then 1 egg to cook with the rice while you're heating it up to have a different feeling to it in your mouth.
Right,
I
so
do
you're
that.
putting them in at different stages. So you've got like a more coagulated egg and then a more runny sort of egg. He's gonna beat me at this rate. I'm like toasting bread. Okay, I kind of have breadcrumbs here. Looks kind of interesting.
Wait, so what are you making?
I'm kind of making a dish called a matriciana. It's a pork, tomato, cheese dish from central Italy. And today it's gonna be bacon, breadcrumb, onion.
Sounds good.
Oh, it's gonna be, do you smell that?
Oh.
Do you like that? Are you
Yeah.
salting your onions? What's your strategy there?
I haven't done anything to my onions. I like to cook them with just like butter and let them work.
I like that.
The salt comes from the soy sauce when I cook it together with the fried rice.
This is absolutely true. I would have made the mistake there. I always do.
You don't want it to be over salted.
Nope. You know, you can get a little bit of over-salting back if you add acid. I gotta tell you, I started doing this in Tastemade videos where I would it's really hard to come up with a lot of recipes all the time, you know what I mean?
That's why you gotta if there's something that you have at home,
Right.
and you know how to make, and you have you just have to replace certain aspects of it, right?
Totally. Look at everything in its most basic form. What is butter? Fat.
That, okay.
It could be replaced with so many things, right? Hudson, I have a strategy.
Yes, tell me.
I am gonna do fried pasta.
Fried pasta.
Yeah. What do you
That
think?
sounds delicious.
Oh, this is gummy. This is from last Thursday night. You got the same problem?
Kind of. Mine just feels kind of hard.
No!
What'd you do?
Things are flying everywhere.
I have the same issue. I have rice and stuff all over my.
What's on your floor challenge? Oh, I really like this blue pan. It reminds me of the late 90s. Do you remember the late 90s?
I wasn't alive in the late 90s. I was only born 2003.
Wow.
What, do you feel old now?
Yes, I'm feeling older every day. I never thought the day would come, but you know, it has. So now the big question is, should I turn my pasta into a fried pasta with egg?
I think you should. I mean, if you want to try something, you should do it. It sounds delicious.
Sounds delicious. Pretty good.
It's good?
Yeah. I'm gonna do some egg too. So now do you lower the heat with the eggs?
I don't. I just keep it because it cooks really fast.
Yeah.
I'm basically done.
You're basically done?
What, are you not?
Well, now I added the egg and everything's screwed up.
Ha!
How you looking?
I'm done.
Cool. Me too.
Okay.
I made enough for Andre the Giant.
I think I made enough for me.
In case you're wondering. Oh, the breadcrumbs. Very important.
How should I plate it? That's how I plate my stuff. I just add a little bit something on top.
What should we do now?
I guess try them.
Are
I'll
we
bring
switching
mine first.
seats?
I guess I'll switch yours. I'm gonna try yours. You go back to that station.
Oh.
And I'll eat yours.
Oh, okay, okay. Here we go.
This looks really good, actually.
Thank you. So does yours.
Well, I made a fried rice with onions, bell pepper, carrots, and egg and soy sauce. Basically, that's all I used. And then I put a little bit of something on top, and I plated it. Oh, what did you make?
First of all, this is delicious. And I've never had butter in fried rice before, and it makes the whole thing really creamy and
Oh,
wonderful.
let me turn this off.
It's okay. It makes it creamy and wonderful. Really like it. I made a fried pasta with bacon, tomato, sun-dried tomato, breadcrumbs, and various alliums. Is it good?
It's really good.
How much money do we spend?
Well, depending on how much everything cost when we first got all this stuff.
I know, but today.
Well, nothing.
Exactly. And that's the point. I'm very impressed with your skills. I am. I'm serious. He's really good.
Okay.
That's it. Thank you for watching the What's in Your Fridge challenge
Thank
with
you.
Hudson Yang. All right, let's go down.